Maintain 3000.
Back up to 3000 American.
737 Charlie, traffic is no longer a factor, descend to 3000.
Roger, descending to 3,000 feet, remaining in pattern.
Continental 522, welcome back to Princess Juliana International. Were you looking to taxi to parking?
Yeah, Roger, we need to park and we're gonna go to use the lavatory and stop at the galley.
That's affirmative, you are clear to park. Good day.
Clear to the ramp, 522, and we'll be back with you.
Seven 737 Charlie, roger that. 737 Charlie, maintain heading 270. An American, descend to 2,000 feet, no delay. American, your expect vectors for the visual approach runway 9er, you'll be number 1.
Roger that. Vectors for the visual approach runway 9er, number 1 for landing.
737 Charlie, expect vectors for the visual approach, you'll be number 2.
I'm unfamiliar with that term, vectors. Can you explain that to me?
Vectors pretty much means that I'll tell you what directions or what headings and what altitudes to fly to reach the airport.
Can I do a visual approach at about nautical miles out there?
Now I'm going to vector you or put you out so that you'll be flying a visual approach 10 nautical miles from the airport.
Okay, roger that. I still have 747 traffic to my right.
Yeah, he'll be off in a second.
So.
American, turn right heading 360.
Return 360 for American.
Juliet Tower, Learjet number 128 Charlie Golf, checking in with you, 30 out, we're at 5,300.
128 Charlie Golf, roger that, radar contact 35 nautical miles to the west of Princess Juliana. Maintain current altitude and no navigation.
Maintaining no navigation and approach 128 Charlie Golf.
Tower control, this is November 7 Charlie, accelerating, going to 230 knots.
737 Charlie, that's fine. American, are you going to be full stop or touch and go?
Full stop for American.
Roger that. And 737 Charlie, are you going to be full stop or touch and go?
Full stop for November 737 Charlie.
Okay, this is going to be a little tough, but alright.
I can clear the runway fast.
Was that American?
American says I can just clear the run. I can clear fast when I come down.
Alright, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Got 3 guys on approach, but it'll work.
You're doing a good job tonight, host.
Oh, thank you, whoever said that. I think that was Continental 522. Actually, if y'all go onto YouTube and type in, here I'll do it in the chat box, but if you type in what I'm going to say in the chat box, you can actually hear some of my recordings at this airport if you're just bored and have nothing else to do.
Roger that. Are you an actual ATC there?
No, just amateur. I just do this for fun. I'm not affiliated with anyone.
Roger that.
Anyways, 737 Charlie, I apologize for this. I'm going to have to put you on number 3 for arrival.
Roger that, that's okay.
Number 128 Charlie Golf, descend to 3,000 feet. You'll be number 2 for arrival.
75.3 for 3 and number 3 for arrival, 128 Charlie Golf.
American, turn right heading 090.
Return 090 for American.
737 Charlie, go ahead.
Tower November 7 Charlie, rise at 2,850 feet. There's some severe turbulence. My planes are rocking back and forth.
737 Charlie, roger, thank you for the report. Let me know if it intensifies.
Roger that. Howard, this is November 737. Okay with being third in line. I need your, area to turn, because my turns are kind of like,
737 Charlie, don't worry. As you've been flying, I've been analyzing your flight patterns, and I'll be arranging your vectors accordingly.
Roger that. I'm maintaining a heading of 270, I think it was, which is directly west.
You're fine. Just continue on that. American, airport 12 o'clock. You are clear visual. Approach runway 9er. Contact on runway in sight.
Roger that. Clear visual approach. American has runway in sight.
American, winds are calm. You are clear land runway 9er.
Clear to land runway 9 for American.
Learjet 128 Charlie Golf. Descend to 2,000 feet. Reduce to 150 knots if able.
Reduce to 150 and 2,000 feet, down to 2,000, 128 Charlie Golf.
And Lear Charlie Golf, go ahead and turn left to 090.
Left to 090, 128 Charlie Golf.
November 737 Charlie, turn right heading 360.
Roger that. November 737, I was heading up 0.
360 for Charlie, yes.
Roger that. Axel. I'm speeding up to 235 knots. My descent. Contact to 3,000 feet.
November 128 Charlie Golf, turn right heading 095.
Right to 095, 128 Charlie Golf.
November 737 Charlie, turn right to heading 040.
Roger that. November 737 Charlie, make heading 040.
128 Charlie Golf, this was going to be a touch and go, correct?
That is affirmed, sir.
All right.
128 Charlie Golf.
American, much better job this time. Welcome back to Princess Juliana International. You are clear to back taxi to parking.
Thank you. Clear to parking for American Airlines 423. I could actually see this time.
November 737 Charlie at a heading of 040.
November 128 Charlie Golf, turn right heading 100.
Right to 100, 128 Charlie Golf.
British November 737 Charlie, I have a question if you have time.
Good.
What is the maximum airspeed below 10,000 feet?
Standard restrictions on airspeed under 10,000 feet is always 250 knots or below.
Okay. I'm doing 230, 235, so I'm good.
Sierra Oscar Romeo 215 Juliana Tower, do you copy?
This is SOAR 215 Juliana Tower, coming in very faint.
SOAR 215 Juliana Tower, state your intentions.
Yes, sir. SOAR 215, full stop Juliana, information Yankee.
SOAR 215, left turn, hard left turn 090.
Hard left runway 9, SOAR 215.
November 737 Charlie, reduce your speed to 180 knots and turn right heading 090.
Roger that, reduced to 180 knots. What was that heading?
Right turn to 090.
Roger that,
3412, taxi to active.
Aircraft requesting taxi clearance, call me again in 1 minute. SOAR 215, continue your left turn to heading of 080 and maintain speed 230 knots until I clear you under.
080, SOAR 215.
Princess Juliana Tower, this is November 737.